Hello everyone, my name is Simanjit Kaur. I am from Pune. With the help of SS Immigration, I scored overall 7 band in IELTS. Then I applied for my visa filing from the same institute and I got my Canadian visa recently. I want to thank servants.
Hello, my name is Amandeep Singh. I have completed my intermediate from Rana Public School. Then I took admission in SS Immigration. With the help of SS staff, I was able to score 7 band. Then I applied my case for higher education in Canada through SS Immigration and I got response within a week. I am thankful to SS staff, especially Sarman sir, Navi sir and Simar sir who helped me a lot. I would like to suggest you all to consult with SS Immigration before taking any step. Thank you.
Myself Pawandeep Kaur. I have recently completed my senior secondary from Akal Academy Kachri in 2018. Then I started taking coaching classes from SS Immigration. Then I got the 6 bands. Then I applied my case from SS Immigration and I got the good response within a week. And even I thanks all the staff members of SS Immigration and I recommend all the students to apply file from SS Immigration.
Gurpreet Singh Randhawa. I have completed my senior secondary education from Rana Public School with 58%. After that, I started taking IELTS coaching from SS Immigration and got overall 6 bands in one module 5.5. And I applied my case for Canada and got quick response within a week. I want to recommend all the students to apply their case from SS Immigration for quick response. Thank you.
My name is Harshdeep Singh. I had completed my senior secondary education in the year 2018. Then after I had done my IELTS and got 7 bands. And afterwards I applied my case for higher education in Canada from SS Immigration. And within a week I got response. And I would like to thank all the staff members of SS Immigration. And I would like to suggest the viewers who are interested in foreign education, they should consult with SS Immigration. Thank you.
My name is Maninder Singh. I have completed my senior secondary education from LSD Public School in 2018 and then after I have done my IELTS. After doing my IELTS, I applied my case for higher education in Canada from SS Immigration and I got the response within 5 days. Especially I would like to thank Sarvan sir, Navi sir, Simar sir and all the staff members of SS Immigration. And would like to suggest to all of you, please consult with SS Immigration for your higher education. Thank you.
Hello friend, myself Jagdeep Singh. I am from Poyan district, Shirangpur. Recently I have got my Canadian student with the help of the SS Immigration and I also recommend you to come here for the IELTS classes and for the visa filing because they are doing the good work.
Myself Tarandeep Singh and I cleared my class 12th in 2019. After that, I scored 7 band in IELTS and then I gave my application case in SS Immigration and I got my visa approval within 2 days and I am very thankful to all the team and staff members of SS Immigration, especially Sarvan sir, and I recommend you to all to give your application case in SS Immigration to get your work done conveniently and more effectively. Thank you.
My name is Ribdaman Kaur. I am from Mohamdi. I completed my 12th in 2017. After that, I applied my UK case from SS Immigration. Now I get good response within a week. I got my visa within a week, and I especially thankful to all the staff member of SS Immigration and especially Mr. Sarvan sir. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Simran Singh from Poya. I got my Canadian student visa within 2 days with the help of SS team. So I would like to recommend you all to contact SS Immigration for your visa file.